What's going on, guys? Are you looking for movies or TV shows? Live TV or sports? All on your Amazon Fire TV stick on apps you can't find in the Amazon App Store? Check this out. First thing, highlight the magnifying glass, pull down, and here we have the search field. So if you select it with your remote, it brings up a keyboard. First thing we need to do is type in one program called Downloader. So D should be enough to type in for the Downloader app search to show up, for the Downloader search to show up. You may need to type out the entire word, Downloader. Select. This is the app we're looking for. Select. Now here it says, I already own it. You may not, so it'll probably say get it. So click it, download it, and install it on your device. Just takes a couple of seconds. And while we're here waiting, please share this with a friend. I know you know someone who would like to see some sports on their Amazon Fire TV stick. Before we open the app, hit the home button on our remote and head all the way over to the settings icon. Mine's just the little race car driver there, but it has like the little gear icon. We can come down and here, I have my Fire TV here highlighted. Yours may say my device and it might be down here. So just click on that. Here it brings up an option menu. I have developer options listed, and if you don't worry. Highlight about. And then here mine says Fire TV stick. Yours may say 4K or something different like light. Select it 7 to 10 times, and then it says no need, you're now a developer. Congratulations, you're now a developer. So back out. One thing to remember, this will not work on the new Vega OSs for the Fire Sticks or the new Select Fire Stick. So here we have developer options listed. Turn on ADB debugging and then highlight install unknown apps, select, and here it comes up with Downloader. We can just turn that on. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload applications that you normally can't find in the App Store. In the meantime, I'm going to turn this off because if you totally jump this whole step, your Fire Stick's going to do it for you. So turn it off, head back to the home screen. Now let's look for Downloader. It's in the 3 squares plus sign. It's our apps and games section. And the last app that we've downloaded goes right to the bottom of this list. So if you have a long list, it'll be way down there. But here we have Downloader. And just select it to open it up. Allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. So select Allow. Now Downloader works just like a web browser. You can type in any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. That's a lot of shit to write in. I have a short code for you, and it's way quicker. Now our remote works just like a mouse, and here's our cursor, the little red circle, so we can go right, down, left, up, and the center button is our select button. We just need to come up to the top. It's highlighted Downloader here, but we want to go into the search field, select that, and it'll bring up a keyboard. For this short code, just type in 370178, and then come down and click on Next. And this automatically redirects it to the Led by the Unknown's downloads section. There's a 5-second redirect. So during this time, please share this with a friend, because as soon as you start downloading these apps, you're going to forget to. Once the page is loaded, make sure our cursor is on the page. Use our 3-line button on our remote. And we can add this page to our favorites. Here we can hit save. And then next time you come to the page to find another great app, of course, you can actually just highlight 3-line button, highlight favorites, and then downloads. And it'll instantly load the page for you. No redirect, no remembering of the URL or the short code. Makes it super simple for you. Now on this page, you'll find some tutorials. Check them out. You'll find the apps and some more information. So let's head her down. movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. check out these apps. If you want to know more about Kodi, at the end of this video, there'll be some information on it. Download it the same way as the rest of these apps though. Movies, TV shows, and live TV in this. We got the main download. Click on the blue button. And it downloads right to your device. Oh no, I didn't jailbreak my Firestick. Shit. You don't need to. The Firestick does it for us. And we don't jailbreak Firesticks. Settings. Install unknown apps. Downloader on. Done. Back out. Back out. Downloader will start back up for us and continue to download the application. So we'll hit install. Down on the bottom right, install. Then we hit done. That is the one and only time you need to worry about the install unknown apps section. So here we just delete the installation file because we no longer need it on our device. Now it did kick us out to the home screen of Downloader. So if you saved your favorites, you can just click on favorites and click on downloads and it'll bring up the page. And we just come on back down to our section, and that's the one and only time you'll get booted back out. So, some more. And again, down on the bottom right, install. Highlight done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. When you come down, we try like plus. Bottom right, install. Bottom right, done. Delete the installation, confirm the delete. And of course, multiple languages, sports, and sports. We can click on like play. Now this one, just come down a little bit. Wait for the redirect. And then the little blue button, click on the white arrow, and it'll start downloading it to your device. Bottom right, install, and then click done. And yes, delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Now let's go to the home screen and check out where these apps went. And just like Downloader, you click on the 3 squares plus sign. And it brings up our apps. And the last set of apps that we downloaded end up right at the bottom of our device. So we have a full board of apps. Don't forget, log in, use the QR code, get yourself IP Vanish for the great discount, 30-day money-back guarantee. Install the app and just use your credentials to log in. We use our 3-line button on our remote, move to the front. We do the same with the flicks, move to the front, move to the front, and I'm sure you're getting my drift here. Move to the front, move to the front, move to the front. And then when we're at our home screen, we have these up, front, and center for us to use. Follow along for more. If you want to understand how some of these apps, if you want to learn about Kodi, continue to watch the rest of this video. Till then, next time, take it easy. Happy streaming. Peace. And here we can open up Kodi. We'll hit continue. Allow to access photos, media, files on our device. Okay. Here we have Kodi. Come up, hit the settings icon. Hit system, add-ons. Slide over, come down to unknown sources, turn that on and say yes. Back out, we're going to go to File Manager, add a source, highlight the field, and we get a keyboard. And in this keyboard, we're going to type in a URL. HTTP, we need a colon. Right now we have a semicolon, so we have to come down here to the shift and we get a colon, so colon // and here's a new digs. And then once you have it all written in, just head over and click OK. If you get some kind of connection error after this, that means you didn't type it in properly. Here there's a name for it, so remember that and then click OK. We'll back out, hit add-ons, come down to zip. Look for the file that it was named, so digs, and the zip. Wait a few minutes. There, it's installed. Now from the repository, select dig. And here we'll go down to program adds. We have Chef Wizard. It used to say Chef Omega. It doesn't say Omega anymore. It no longer doesn't auto install. We have to manually do this. So we can click on it, install. Wait for a little bit. There is a counter meter here for the percentage that has been installed, so it's at 0. Then it'll go to 33, and then it's done. So it says it's installed. So we just select it one more time, and down here now it says open. So we can click open. Now, Kodi gives us some options here. So use the build. And we can try the first one. Say continue. And here, it's getting everything good to go. I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for following along. I hope these tutorials help out you greatly. I know some of these videos may seem repetitive. They are. 95% of my viewers are brand new, have never seen a video. So if you've seen this one multiple times, I really thank you. I'm updating the store constantly. There's forever changes going on with the Amazon Fire TV sticks. We're staying on top for you, okay? This old Kodi setup, yes, I know, it's a little mundane. It's a little pain in the ass to go around. But trust me, it's the one thing that's staying. Now that it's done all that, it will ask you to force close so we can say, okay. So remember, I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick tips, tricks, and how-tos. Please follow along. This is just a demo for you guys to understand how to do this yourself. All right, thank you. Take care. Peace.